It's late again and I'm up when I should be sleeping, and I keep having these thoughts run through my mind. I don't know, for some reason I've been thinking about God and religious things lately. And I was thinking about how supposedly God created the earth in 6 days. Not only did he create the heavens and the earth and the light and everything on the planet, including Adam, but he created every living thing that crawled upon it, including plants and everything green for us to eat. And yet, he created this all from nothing. But for some reason, he needed one of Adam's ribs in order to create a woman. So, is a woman like a more complex thing than anything else that he created? I don't know. Kind of makes me wonder. But it also made me wonder, since it only took him 6 days to create all of this, why then did it take 40 days and 40 nights to create a flood? And why did he have to have a man build an ark to carry all these creatures of the planet for at least the 40 days and 40 nights, and for however long it took the floodwaters to recede before the animals, and I presume every bit of plant life, which they don't seem to mention in that story, on the ark to deboard once the waters receded and it came to rest on Mount Ararat. Ararat? Ararat, something like that. So, why did he have to preserve all these animals if he could just create them again? 40 days and 40 nights to create a flood is a long time. I mean, is it harder to create a flood on a tiny little planet out in the middle of nowhere on the edge of a tiny galaxy somewhere in space than it is to create the galaxies and the universe and all the planets and stars inside of it? Oh man, I'm tired. Anyway, that's my thought for the evening, or the morning as the case may be. I'm going to let this roll to about 4 minutes and 15 seconds because YouTube notoriously cuts off the ends of my videos. But not this time. They're not going to get away with it. Yeah, so it takes 40 days and 40 nights to create a flood to say, and it takes a man to build an ark to save all these animals. Why didn't you just wipe it all out and start over? If you created it in the first place, you could recreate it, right? I don't get it. Good night.